Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by assessing how you use your phone each day. Track your current screen time for 7 days using built-in screen time features on Android or iPhone. Identify your top 3 apps by daily minutes and note the average time per day for each app. Write down the total daily use and set a realistic target like a 25% reduction or 2 hours less per day. This baseline will guide every habit change that follows. Next, apply immediate practical steps to reduce temptation and friction. Use app limits to restrict the top 3 apps to 30 or 60 minutes daily and enforce strict timers. Enable Do Not Disturb from 9:00 p.m. to 7:00 a.m. to enforce night boundaries and protect sleep. Turn on grayscale and remove social media icons from your home screen to reduce visual cues. Place your phone in another room during focused work or meals for at least 60 minutes per block. To sustain progress, track results, and create positive replacements for phone time. Review weekly screen time reports and aim for a 21-day streak to solidify new habits and neural pathways. Replace phone time with a specific activity like 30 minutes of walking, a hobby session, or reading before bed. Use an accountability partner and share weekly goals to increase follow-through. Celebrate measurable reductions, such as 2 hours less daily, and gradually tighten limits for long-term balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.